Part 1 of the Tips for Teachers series, adding a module. From the dashboard, select the class you wish to edit. From the home page, select Modules in the left-hand navigation bar. From Modules, select the Plus Module button in the upper right-hand corner. A pop-up window will appear with options to edit your new module. Type in the title in the entry field. You can choose a concept, a chapter, or a number. Just keep it consistent. If you wish to lock access for students, select the Lock Until checkbox and type in the date and time. Or click on the calendar, select the date, enter the time, and press Done. If you wish to add prerequisites, click on the plus Add Prerequisites button. These are only full modules, but you can select an item for students to complete before they're able to access this module. Select it from the drop-down list, and then you're done. Click Add Module. It will always, unfortunately, go down to the bottom, but you can adjust its placement by selecting the ellipses on the left of the title and dragging it to your desired position. And with that, you have your module. Congratulations!